Okay, so I've been having some problems lately with the key fob from my 2009 Dodge Ram. The remote start hardly ever works. I'm just gonna give a little test here. Okay, lock button, unlock button. Okay, so it's locking, it's unlocking. But even that is, it's hit and miss. Okay, and then the remote start again. Okay, so I've seen a video on YouTube, and I just want to see if I can simulate the suggestion from another guy that made another video. I'm just going to take this fob apart. He said that the little clicker buttons that touch the copper contacts start making very good contact anymore. And what he's referring to is these little tabs. I don't know if this is zooming in very well or not, but there's these little discs here. They make contact with these copper portions. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just set my my fob on the electrics on the battery. I'm going to simulate matching up the different connections here. So this one being the unlock. This one being the lock. Okay, so it locked. Let's do a double click on the start. Sure enough, what he's suggesting might be absolutely right. Now let's see if I can shut it off. Okay, that worked great. Let's try the unlock again. I think my contacts are a little bit too wide. Let's try this now. Okay, so it unlocks. Locks. Let's try this start again. 1, 2. Perfect. That's exactly what's going on. So just to reiterate, let's put this back together again. Now I think there's a setup in the computer that says you can only start it twice without having to go inside and restart the vehicle. So I'm just going to do that. I'm going to restart it. Okay, so I've restarted it inside the truck, and now let's try the remote start again here. Got nothing. It locks and unlocks. But the remote start, I've got nothing. Let's try my other key fob. Got nothing. Let's try taking this one apart now. It's probably not the best way to take these apart using my key, but hey, it works. Okay, so I got to keep this kind of all steady because the battery is going to make contact with this here circuit board. So let's try the start again. 1, 2. Fantastic. And off. So this is the problem. This is the problem with mine. These little clicker buttons that they're kind of a concave they make contact with the large ring on the circuit board, and then the worn section in the middle here makes contact with the middle, creating the same thing I'm doing here, is it's shorting out those two pieces, making contact, and that's what's operating it. So unfortunately, I don't think you can buy this. You can buy the housing, but this you can't. So anyways, I've ordered a couple of replacement fobs on Amazon, 55 bucks Canadian for the two. Beats the heck out of the $300 each fob that Chrysler wanted for them. And hopefully, I'll make another video, hopefully this piece will be able to come off and be used with my original Dodge electronics. That way I won't have to go in and have a dealer program it. I just need this piece. So anyways, that's my video, and a shout out to the other gentleman. His name is Don, that made the other video, kind of got me on the right track. I'll post a little shout out to him in the description area. Okay, thanks for watching.